Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm sorry I had a mukbang just cause I look at my videos and I'm like, the eye looks real scary and I don't want to scare you guys and gross you out. You know what I mean? But we just came back from prayer night, my church, and then we stopped to get some churches. Julia lent me so I can buy some churches chicken. And I guess they're already gonna close, so they asked us if we wanted a mashed potato. They only charge us for one, and they gave us two of these tambitos, and then they give us biscuits free. So now you know when they're gonna close down. You know what it is? Dr. Pepper. If you're a lover of or if you know anybody that works at Church or Chicken, Popeyes, whatever, the thing is that people that work there, whatever chicken's left in the end, well, they cannot resell it, right? So they split it amongst the workers, and they get to take it home, ¿verdad? But you know what? This is my favorite part. Skin with ketchup with bun. Regular box spread. Pan de caja. I know because I wish it's true. When I was pregnant, Samantha didn't even was pregnant. I still remember, like, I was making the coleslaw and the big thing, and had my gloves on, and I was mixing it, and I was like, what the fuck? I went to the bathroom because I was like, what? I never had to throw up, but it never crossed my mind that I could be pregnant. Never, never, never. Because there's one doctor. Let me tell you a story. Not a real doctor, okay? They're called iridologists. They're the ones that read your iris, your eye. No doctor del iris, ¿ok? Iris es tu ojito, tu ojito. Y esta señora vendía pastillas naturales, cosas naturales, pero te leía primero el ojo, tu iris, a ver qué rollo. Bueno. Yo creo que tenía 21, 22, yo creo por ahí. 21, 22, porque todavía no tenía la niña. Entonces, mi papá me llevó con esa señora, pues para que me ayudara a bajar peso, ¿no? Y ella, ay, me acuerdo que me dio un chingo pero me salió bien caro. A mi dad, porque toda la vida me anda ayudando cuando puedes a bajar peso. Juárez, aquí, a donde sea. Okay. Check this out. Esa doctora, me dijo a mí que yo nunca iba a poder tener babies, nunca. And I was like, what? She said I was never going to have children. I got 3 children, thank God. And my dog. So yeah, boom on her, because I did have 3 babies. They were all C-sections, I don't care. Sure. I still got my 3 babies. She charged my dad a lot. Dude, it was expensive to go there. She had like a botanical. Like, right on Donovan many, many years ago. I think it was called the Herb Stand, if I'm not mistaken. And she worked in the back. There was a little office in the back. And she owned that shop where she would sell, like herb things and whatever. Natural shit. It was clear capsules like horse pills. Okay. And I think I had to take like something like this, okay? There's a damn fly up in here. You had to take like 8 capsules in the morning, another 8 at lunchtime, another 8 at nighttime. Oh, no, 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 no. And you could taste like hierba in there, like hierba. Pero sí, eran no. The fly died. I think it was really dying. She was right there just all stupid. And then, all I could eat. And I wanted to follow the diet because I did want to lose weight. I was, I guess, worthy for my age. I don't know. I think it was about 180 or 200 maybe back then. I don't know. Or maybe more. I don't know. I don't remember. And then all I could eat was like to make myself like vegetable stews, vegetable soup. Okay. So every day, no tortillas, no nothing, just water and soup. Uh-huh. Like every 3 days. Like every 3 days, I would make another big batch of caldo. Pollo, papas, everything I wanted. But just all veggies. Plus those ugly pills. Okay? I remember my little brother, got rest his soul, he came to visit me like in a week or two. I don't know. So, they were like 2 weeks. And I think in those 2 weeks, I had already lost like 20 pounds. But it didn't look like a healthy diet. I looked like this, like a drogadicta, to be honest. Toda chupada, like if I was on drugs. My brother comes over and I open the door. And I was weak. I was always weak. I opened the door and he was like, ¿Qué tienes, Emma? I remember he said that. And I forgot that he hadn't seen me, right? And I was like, ¿Qué? ¿Por qué estás así? And I remember I said, pues tu daddy, ya ves que cada rato me pone pinches dietas. No. I remember she said, está pendejo, no te las estás tomando. ¿Qué te están dando o qué? And then I showed him big, like a gallon-sized Ziploc of horse pills. De pura, like alfalfa or what? I don't know what the fuck it was. I had like 3 of those, and I think that was supposed to last me like a whole month or two. I don't know. And when he left, he took them. Está pendejo mi papá. No estás haciendo caso. Peligro te está haciendo brujería. That's what he said. I swear to God. Peligro te están haciendo brujería. No, vente. Ven conmigo. Yeah. I wasn't even talking like this, so stupid. I think I lost like 20 pounds in 2 weeks, I think. We had a church's chicken there. back when I lived over there, we were like by Montana and Copia, and pues, on Copia and off of Montana was there was a church's chicken. Y went any pop chicken. Girl, I wanted that chicken so bad, and I'm always eating like this. Come bien. No puedo. Es que no tengo fuerzas. Ay, he was like pinche jefe. I must have known something I didn't, you know. But, you know, I had some people in my family that love doing shit like bad shit like that. Witchcraft. Mm. He already knew too. We all knew. We all knew who it was and the things they were doing, how they ruined our family and stuff like that. But now, I am so protected by the blood of Jesus. Every day I pray and every day, it's very hard sometimes to forgive people that harm you or that do you wrong. Very hard. For me, it is very hard to forgive, certain people that did certain things to me. But other things that were like, not even that bad. Yeah, what you gotta do in the end is don't hate anybody. Don't hate anybody. No matter what the fuck they've done to you, so bad. Even the worst thing that they've done. Algo bien feo. Pray for them. And that gets you in good with God. He has to see that you have a forgiving soul, that you're forgiver. It says in the Bible that we have to try to be perfect. We have to try to become perfect the way Jesus was. And of course, we're not going to ever be perfect, but if you can be a better person, if you want to see Jesus, be with Jesus, and have him in your heart, and you want to make it to heaven, you have to change. Huh? Believe me. When I tell you that, I'm trying really hard to change. In 3 years, I have changed a lot. The only thing that's wrong with me right now is my mouth. But I'm praying for God to take that away from me. As you will. I tell you guys, and I'm not lying, and you can ask anybody who knows me from the past or my family. I was a hoe. I was a hoe. I was enjoyed men. Company of men, ¿verdad? I was with many men all my life. But now I know what my purpose in life is. And I know why God chose me and what He wants me to do. No, vieja, el mata loca. No, la neta. God reveals things to you when you're trying to be good and, you know, give your life to Him, give your heart to Him. He starts showing you things and telling you things and talking to you. What I have to do, my purpose before I leave this earth, is help women. I'm going to help women that have been in my situation or worse, that used to drink, that used to do this and that, that used to be with men, that used to party, that used to, my neck hurts. Anything. Or you know, stuff like that. But trip out. And I'm not like, for Jesus Christ. Oh, when I was younger and I was gangbanging or whatever the hell I was doing, never did I step foot in the jail. Amen. Never. I don't know what it is to be in jail. Um. So yeah, I never went to jail. Um, God does send angels to to take care of you, to watch over you. I didn't know it at the time because I wasn't Christian yet. But God's been taking care of me all my life. A lot of bad things have happened to me. A lot of bad things have happened to me. But for some reason, He wanted to save me. Um, and I'm so happy that He did save me. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I miss going to the bar. I miss dancing because I love to dance. I miss getting my little buzz on. I miss the men, you know. But you know what? I wouldn't go back to that. You know, because whatever I feel now in my heart is worth a lot more. It's just really nice when you start to live different and be different. And I'm not saying that it's called backslide when you are like Christian and then you kind of go by accident back to the way you were. It's called backsliding. I never know. I'm not gonna say that I'm perfect, no. Or just because I found Jesus that I'm not gonna go back to the way I was. I never know. You never know, ¿verdad? But like, guys, I used to smoke cigarettes since I was very young, and by the time I was 15, I used to share cigarettes with my jefa. Yeah, I used to smoke with her cigarettes. I barely quit 2 years ago in June. I said, "Ay, Diosito, you know, help me quit before my birthday is June 5th." I kept saying, "Please, God, help me to stop smoking. I want to stop smoking before I turn whatever I was gonna turn before my birthday, ¿verdad?" Entonces, I did. I was able to stop on. I gotta be on June 2nd or June 3rd. No me acuerdo, but it was 2 years ago. Like, yeah, because it's been 3 years that I quit everything else. I quit going to the bars. And you know what? Right here where I moved to, there's a lot of bars. There's a lot of bars. But who was to stop me? I have my car, I have my money. If I want to, I would have just gotten ready and gone, you know? I didn't want to. I didn't want to for real. I was I was holding on to my Lord and they said, nah, what for? You know, I got into like 3 or 4 fist fights in the bar that I used to go to. And at this age, right, in my 50s, imagine. I mean, thank God that the cops never showed up or nothing like that, because I would have valido verga. Because I hurt him bad. I know I did. Um, but whatever, you know. I know why he kept me away from those places. Or else I was gonna talk to somebody about it if I was worse. Hmm? Never did I, knock on wood, get my children taken away from me. Um, do drugs. I did when I was young. I smoked weed. When I was young, way before I had my kids. Ask me if I do none of that after I had my kids. No. Mm-mm. Nor do I want to. Why would I? I wouldn't want to. Feel through. As it is, you know how when you have a kid and at the hospital they'll give you hydrocodone, and that's like equivalent to Shiva. And I felt all stupid. No, 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 I don't like feeling like that. You know the little biscuits they give us for free. I used to make this. I just chicken. I worked at the one on Alameda and Clark. Oh, una pues a bueno spray now. Just how's this niña? Um, these are these are called honey butter biscuits. Is the TV too loud, guys? Come on. Oh. I can't show you right now, and I have to pee. But because I'm wearing trunks. But right here on my right thigh. Oh yeah, I gotta pee. On the upper right thigh, I got another tattoo of a red ribbon, and then with a real pretty. And then I got my bottom lip outline again. And then next time I go, I guess I'll get my top lip. Alright, because when the scabs and it falls off the scabs and stuff, um, the color will be different. He did it like a red on me, but I wanted like a really, really dark burgundy. The darkest, so when it would fade out, it would look burgundy. But it doesn't hurt or nothing. But I have my Vaseline right here. I put my Vaseline on there. And I'm gonna get some more. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. And then I'll stop. When you're a Christian, you're not supposed to get tattooed. It's in the Bible. You're supposed to respect and take care of your temple, your body. It says something about tattoos in the Bible. It does. But check this out. Check this out, baby. If y'all know who Joyce Myers is, she's a pastora and she's very popular and she's a pastora, right? Joyce Myers, you can look her up on YouTube. Una caballa pastora, okay? Ella, ella, she got tattooed. Look it up on the Google. Joyce Myers tattoo, getting tattooed. And I'm not lying. No, I have this pastora is a pastora. Way more, of course. Es una pastora, super sabia. She knows the Bible backwards and forwards, que no? Now, if she went and got tattooed, somehow she knows, she thinks, she says, if she thought for one moment that she was not going to go to heaven because she went and got a tattoo or two, she wouldn't have done it. I've always thought this, guys. It makes sense to me. It sounds logical to me. I don't know. And of course, I don't know the Bible back and forth. I don't. I've never read it all. But check this out. I think that if you're a good person all your life, you love people, you help people, you do good deeds, you don't break the 10 Commandments, whatever. Or try not to. Impossible to lie. Like thou shalt not lie. That's I've never known anybody not to lie. Not till now. Not in my 54 years. Okay. But this is the way I see it. You're not supposed to judge anybody. Only that's why it's very said. Only God can judge me, right? Y'all are familiar with that. When you go up to the pearly gates in heaven, and you're gonna give cuando ya vas a ir a dar cuentas con Dios, ¿verdad? And God has a book and a list of all the good things you did, right? She did this, she helped this, she did this, she did this, she did this. But then you go up there and you have tattoos. Do you think that God's not going to let you into heaven just because you have a tattoo? Because you scribbled something on or drew something? I don't know. My personal opinion is, and like I said, I don't know nothing about the Bible. Whatever I talk from the heart. I don't think God's going to say, sorry, dude, you can't come in because you have a tattoo there, even though you did this and did that and they never lied and never did this and never. That's the way I see it. I'm sorry. Me digo tonta, maybe. I probably sound stupid, but. And I'm not saying, oh, just because Joyce did it, I'm going to do it. Dude, I've been doing it since I was 15 years old. I was getting tattooed since I was real young. I've always been fascinated with tattoos. I love tattoos. People that are not tattooed and don't know about tattooing, don't know what it means to a person that does get tattooed. It's not a fad. It's not this and that. Well, it could be for some younger kids, maybe. But usually everything that you do in a tattoo, it has meaning in the back of it. It has meaning. Like after my mom passed away, I got her name back here with the little praying hands. Asked me if I got my dad's name. Why? Because I didn't have a good dad. I had a dad that if you saw us, you would say, oh my God, perfect family. But no. And pues allá él. Allá ya. God has judged him and only he knows if he went to heaven or hell, whatever. But, you know, I know my mom is up there for a fact. Pero, mhm. As I started having my babies, I started getting their names on me. So now that when my husband passed away, I got his name on my ankle with his dates on the inside of my right ankle. And then not too long ago, like two New Years ago, me and my daughters did these together, the palomitas, because it signifies, daddy, because it's the one that's like not colored. And then mama, and then Samantha, Julia, and Jessie. So we all have the five. Except the people that did us at that place where we went. I don't know if you could see it. Mine is real nice like this. Like, that's what I wanted. And on the girls, I don't remember if it was Julia or Samantha. What they did them all stupid. They did them kind of like almost straight and small. And then on my other girl, they did them a little like not too. I wish the same person that did mine would have done them, even if we would have had to wait. If I would have known they were gonna do theirs all stupid, I wouldn't have let them. Because that's their first tattoo. And even last year, I told them, guys, want to go for the second tattoo with mama? But they were like, they like tattoos and they want something, but I guess they're not ready to get their next one done, if they're going to get it done or what they want done. But I've told them after we did this, I've been like, if you guys want to know, just let me know and I'll save up money. Myself, I have nothing against tattoos. I love tattoos. When Jessie grows up, if you want some, pues su rollo. But of course, I'm not going to get mad. Fíjate, when my husband passed away, I have to pee. When Julie was 13, gonna hit 14. No, she had just turned 14. I was gonna let her get a tattoo. Because at that age, she looked 18, 19. And the dude that was doing me back then, he would have done it. But she was still underage. And if anybody would have talked shit at school or yo iba a llevar el paquetote. I don't think I was going to end up in jail because I let my kid get tattooed for, her daddy's name that passed away. I don't know. But she didn't want it, so in the end, she didn't get it after all. So they didn't get theirs till they were, let me see, Julia's 21, so when she was like 18, 19. 19 is when she got the palomas, and then San Bosque 2 years ago, 25. Guys, ya me meo. I gotta go pee-pee. Is that little pee-pee? Well, go to the bathroom and you go down and go do pee-pee. Bye-bye.